on to the Euro US dollar. Again, we can see here we had a big reaction on Friday, a big bounce sort of later on in the day really. Sort of the US session, we've seen quite a bounce there. Again, not really too much going on for me here. We actually had quite a bounce from this level I was looking at early last week. I mentioned the 1.3212 level. We went as low as 202, and we've had quite a bounce from there. There's the level there. It was possibly, yeah, it was actually Friday we came down and tested that level in the Asian session there, bounced off it a couple of times, and then had a reaction and moved higher from there. So yeah, it's another tough one to call, and I'm quite happy just to sit on the sidelines and do nothing at the moment. I mean, originally when we broke this bat support, it was looking quite good, quite quite a normal kind of market as I'd expected to react, and we had the nice bullish thrust here, which should have really pushed us up to this 1.4, completed the sell setup, and then move lower from there. But you can see all these random weeks that we've had since then. It's just been all over the place. So quite glad I've not made a trade here in a while now, and I'm quite glad about that really. We've still not made it up to that 1.3737, and in fact we made a lower low last week, so I can move this down to 1.3202 now, which 1.3202, which brings the sell setup further down now to the 1.3689 level. Now I need to see a bounce come to, and I mean, looking at the way this is going, I really need to see a bounce pretty soon. Otherwise it's going to start to look overstretched, and the signal just won't really be so good. Second target there now is basically down at parity. So I mean, it could be now that the market stretched itself enough to set up this move down to parity. You find that a lot with the Fibonacci targets. The market actually moves a certain amount for a reason, sort of market expansion, plotting out the next move. So it could be now that we're looking for that parity level, and that's us maybe got low enough now to maybe see a bounce from here, and then maybe make a break for this 1.3212 level. As I say, we only have one more week left of this month, so if we do even move higher into this week, we could see a bit of a bounce in this chart up to the 1.4 level, which would be completely fine on this weekly chart, and then get a continuation from there, try and go short, and eventually down towards the parity level. So it'll be interesting to see, but really nothing doing on the daily. Nothing really changed on Friday. I mean, we had this big bounce, which obviously held us above this thrust support level here at the 3270, but we still haven't overcome anything significant. The 1.3420 level is the last bullish thrust level there, so I mean we've still not even removed that, so nothing really significant happened there on Friday really. Just a bit of a bounce, which could be just money coming out of the market, so we'll wait and see anyway. And but yeah, basically nothing going to be doing here, I would imagine, as well for this week.